Hi, welcome to Mix Shop Review. My name's Collette and today we are looking at the Glider Board. Now the Glider Board was designed by Thermomix to safely hold your TM5 or TM6 in position on your benchtop and to enable you to move it around really easily if you need to. It comes in 3 colorways. This is the white one. This is made out of a non-porous resin, very similar to a lot of kitchen worktops that you find nowadays. It also comes in a black or wooden version, and they are both made out of European beechwood, which is super hard and hard wearing. So the features on all 3 of them are exactly the same. So let's take a look at those. On the top of our glider board, we have these 3 indentations, and they are there to snugly fit the little black feet on our Thermomix. And as you'll know, they are the scales, so we need to look after those little guys. On the back of our glider boards, we have got 4 rubber feet, and we have got 2 Teflon feet. The rubber feet really hold it in position, and it's the Teflon feet that enable us to glide it seamlessly around. Let me show you a little bit more. So here I have my TM6 sitting on its glider board, which is how it always is. Now, to actually see how strong and secure this is, I'm putting all my weight onto this guy and it is not budging. So I'll just go backwards just so you can see, nothing is moving. So that was all my weight, and there's a little bit of weight behind me. But if I do need to move it around, let's say for example it's under a kitchen cabinet, or you need to pull it out to have more area around it to work, all you need to do is slip your hand underneath the front, lift it up, and you can see how easy this little guy is to move around versus when it's down in position, those rubber feet are engaged, I cannot budge it. Now our wonderful recipe development team in Perth have actually gone through all the different modes, all the ones where the little Thermomix does a little dance when it's mixing dough or using turbo at high speed, and it has been proved to be absolutely perfect and safe. So I love the glider board. It's super easy to clean and maintain, just a quick wipe down. You can see underneath here, which I didn't mention, there's a little indentation for you to pop your fingers in as you are gliding it on those little Teflon buttons. And then from time to time, just give your little buttons a wipe with a wet cloth and just dry them off, and that will just keep everything perfect. The rubber keeping it in position and the little Teflon gliders enabling you to really easily move it around. Do I love my glider board? Absolutely. I've got a couple of Thermomixes and both of them have these guys. And I love the fact that, you know, if you want to, you can actually match this to your decor by choosing either the beautiful wooden version or the black version. Now these are available in our Mix Shop at the moment. And remember, our Mix Shop is your official supplier of all parts and accessories for your Thermomix, but we also have this wonderful range of kitchenware, cookingware and bakeware. So why not head over there now, take a look, check out those glider boards. It might be a great accessory to your favorite kitchen sous chef, the Thermomix. My name's Collette. Thanks for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you for my next review. Bye for now.